Our gut health plays a crucial role in overall well-being. Often referred to as the gastrointestinal GI tract, the gut is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. Beyond digestion, it impacts our immune system, cardiovascular health, and even mental wellness. Let's explore the benefits of each of these gut-friendly foods. 1. Curd yogurt. Curd, also known as yogurt, is a staple in many diets worldwide and is renowned for its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health by restoring balance and aiding digestion. Regular consumption of curd can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. 2. Milkshakes. Milkshakes made with high-quality dairy or non-dairy milk can be a delicious way to support gut health. Dairy milk is a good source of calcium, which plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the intestinal lining. Additionally, milkshakes can be fortified with probiotic supplements or ingredients like yogurt or kefir to enhance their gut-friendly properties. Experiment with adding fruits, nuts, or seeds to your milkshakes for added flavor and nutritional value. 3. Grapes. Grapes are not only tasty, but also packed with gut-friendly nutrients such as fiber, antioxidants, and polyphenols. The fiber content in grapes supports movements and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Furthermore, the antioxidants and polyphenols found in grapes help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, contributing to overall gut health. Enjoy grapes as a snack or add them to salads, smoothies, or yogurt for a nutritious boost. 4. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for digestive issues due to their carminative and anti-inflammatory properties. These tiny seeds contain compounds that help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing bloating, gas, and indigestion. Fennel seeds are often consumed after meals as a digestive aid or brewed into a soothing tea. Incorporate fennel seeds into your diet by sprinkling them on salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet can help support a thriving gut microbiome, leading to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. Remember to prioritize variety and balance in your diet to reap the full benefits of these nourishing foods. By nourishing your gut, you're investing in your long-term health and vitality.